Hey, where are we going? Hey, where are we going? Where are we going?
To the pool!
Where are we going, Louishaaa?
We're going swimming pool.
Swimming pool. Say bye bye.
Bye bye. Okay, educator.
Cái cái số này à?
Đó số giờ suy bu lại.
Ê cô.
Ấy tiếng Anh số giờ rồi.
Wow. Ê mẹ, cái số này à? Cái số này à?
Đó số này à?
Ê biết bao nhiêu? Say hi. Hi. Turkish. Where are we going? Swim? We're going to swim. You going to swim? Where are we going, babe?
The pool.
For the first time, Nim's gonna swim in Kosrae. Yeah, this is the little elementary school.
Is this your school?
No. What's up, everybody? Hey guys.
Meme? He's mixing mama and meme. Meme? Redness? Ask Uncle if you can. Can you do it?
Yes.
Oh my goodness, this one wants to.
Come, mommy.
Put it down. You're right.
Liam, look, Liam.
I don't trust you. I'm gonna sit down and then you.
Hey.
You're not gonna fall, are you?
What?
Yeah.
Oh, is that my your son is?
Hey, where are you going? Young. Are you not scared anymore?
Go. Wow. Liam was laughing at us. Go, Ipapa. 1, 2, 3. You got this. Come on, don't be like the lane. It's gonna be Liam's first time in Kosrae's water. Let's go.
Go, EJ. I'm boxer. Yeah, that's right.
Ready? Ready? Choo. Ooh. Ah. Oh. You ready? You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, jump. Hi.
Ôi. Thằng đang ai ăn lên chưa?
Okay. There's all good. Go. Go, Ipapa. Wow. Look, mommy. Hi. Look, mommy. Hi.
Hi.
Say hi. Wow.
Yes, sir.
Wow. 1, 2. Ooh. Ooh. 1, 2, 3. Obstacles. Hi, Leo. Say hi to mommy. Say hi to mommy. Hi, mommy.
Oh, you're walking.
Liam, how's your first time in the water? I think it's so Hey Liam, how was your first time swimming in Kosrae? Huh? Liam? Liam? Yum yum?